Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to on app notification in vivo phone. Guys, you want to on guys app notifications, so as you can on your app notifications in your vivo phone. So as now let's see how to on app notification in vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you on your app notification. So first of all guys, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So then first of all open your phone setting and guys click on this notifications. Guys click on app setting. As you can see guys, only this most recent apps, so guys click on this tab and guys click on all apps. So you can see guys all apps, and guys which app notification guys you want, guys you can on from this right side guys, like Google Assistant guys, browser notification, like guys contact notification guys, Facebook notification, Gboard, Google, Gmail, and guys Play Store, Instagram notification. So you can on your app notification from here guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to on app notification in vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. So guys, I think friends you have understood, but just you will have to click on this right side, so app notification will on in our vivo phone. So bye friends, thanks for watching.